So Moringa oleifera is a tree, and it may be the epitome of food medicine. It is a highly nutritious leaf and also a plant that is usable in all of its different parts. We tend to focus on the leaf because the leaf is so nutritious. It is super high in protein, about 30% protein by weight, whereas spinach is 1 to 2% protein. That's twice as much protein as kale. And some of the other benefits of moringa are awesome anti-inflammatory effects. It is also a complete protein, so it has all of the amino acids, and amino acids are essential building blocks of protein, yes. They are also essential building blocks of lots of other things that our body needs to make, notably also neurotransmitters. One of the most common ways that you see moringa used in sort of the health and wellness world is dried into a powder form, so you're getting a concentrate of that great leaf and then all of the benefits. It has a flavor a little bit like arugula or mustard green, kind of a horseradish bite, which can make it a little difficult to work into recipes in the powdered form. Not everyone loves the flavor of moringa.